to my channel. This is a sponsored video featuring Annabelle hair, and they did reach out to me to review their Peruvian straight 26-inch unit. And I did dye this unit blue black. Normally I say I'm dyeing my hair jet black, but most of the time I'm dyeing my hair blue black. I don't really know the difference. I just think it makes the hair just, you know, feel silkier, and it just makes the wig look really good. When you keep it in this natural color, I don't know, I just think it looks kind of dull. So I always make sure I dye my hair. Sometimes I may forget, but most of the time I'm dyeing my hair black, blue black to be exact. As this wig is a 4x4, so it's only basically here to here, which I love my 4x4 units. They're so easy to go ahead and install. Also, it's easy to lay down my baby hairs. So like I stated before, this is a 26-inch, so I think this is almost to my hip. I am 5'2", so this unit is pretty long on me. I just love straight units, you guys. Like, I really can't get enough of it, especially if it's a 4x4. As you guys can see, my hands are going straight through this unit. This unit was so easy to straighten, and it's looking so good right now. So before we get into this video, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit your post notification bell so you don't miss an update when I post. Let's just jump right into this video so we can get into this install and the details of this unit. So let's just jump right into this video. So I did go ahead and already straighten this unit. I air dried it, dyed it black, air dried it, and then straightened it on my mannequin head. Now sometimes I do need to re-straighten the hair, you know, just for my liking, just because I'm a perfectionist and I like my hair to be really straight. So as you guys can see, I did go ahead and straighten just a little bit of the hair. I didn't have to like straighten it too much. I took big sections and just straightened it. This hair is so easy to straighten. Like, I put my heat up to 450 normally, and I had no issues. Like, it went right to getting straight. So I really love that about the unit. You guys, I just put one piece of hair in the back because I wanted to have that one look. I don't really wear my hair like this no more. I usually wear it all to the front, but I want to wear like some of it in the front and some of it in the back for today. Hopefully, like I didn't have a good picture day yesterday. I hope I have a good picture day today. I got on a pretty little thing outfit, so hopefully I have a good picture day today, and I just want it all to come out good. Anyway, so let's get into this lace. Now, I really love the lace on this unit, considering the fact that it is a 4x4. I'm always gonna brag about 4x4s and 6x6s, stuff like that, because I just feel like it's so easy to install and it's fairly quick, and then all you have to worry about is just laying down your baby hairs in the front. I did lay down some baby hairs in the front. Very easy for my ladies that are beginners. It's very easy for you to do. Also, as far as this lace, you guys, I would recommend that you definitely bleach the knots. With this one, I did not bleach the knots, but I did add some, you know, makeup to it, and it actually blended really good. But the knots are really like, you really see those black knots in this unit. So if you don't bleach it, I would definitely recommend you make sure that you have some type of concealer and blend it in really good, or some powder. And then also make sure you're cutting really close to the hairline. So if you cut really close to the hairline, especially with units that are not, with lace that's kind of a little more harder to blend because of the knots, I would definitely make sure you just cut really close to the hairline, because with this one I cut close to the hairline and you do not see any lace on this unit. So definitely take a note from me from that. As far as the way this wig feels, as you guys can see, I'm putting my hands straight through this unit. I'm not having no issues as far as the way this wig feels. It's definitely on the silky and yucky side. I would definitely say that, because, well, I put my silking spray in it, so when I put the silking spray in it, it definitely made it a little more silkier than what it was. So it's initially like a little more yucky, but if you add like a silky type of spray just to get it a little more straighter, it'll definitely make it more silky. But I would say it's in between silky and yucky, which is what I really love. I'm not getting any tangling or any shedding out this unit. One thing I will say about this unit, you guys, is that it will come bulky. Like, I put lace spray on it, I put some mousse on it, because you know mousse is really good at laying hair down. And then my last thing was to do my spritz. Like, I've been taking a break on the spritz. Not that anything is wrong, I just sometimes I want to add the product sometimes, and sometimes I don't. But with this one I had to end up adding the spritz, which is what laid this hair down to my liking. So with this, it will come really bulky, so just make sure you have your hot comb. And I would definitely just recommend spritz. Like, the lace spray is fine, but use spritz. Spritz is really good. Or if you have a hair wax stick, definitely use that. I just haven't been using the wax sticks lately, but I find that spritz works really good. And the way this wig fits, you guys, this wig does fit really well. I would definitely suggest that you adjust the straps, and I am a bigger head girl, so definitely adjust the straps if you're a bigger head girl, because it does have just a little bit of room in it. If you're a smaller head girl, you won't have anything to worry about as far as that goes either. As far as the density on this unit, you guys, I don't think that it's too full, and I don't think that it's too thin. I think that it's really perfect, actually. Ooh. Look how straight this is, you guys. I love a unit that just gets straight so easily, and then it looks really nice and silky. And then the black, me dyeing it black, just like topped it off. But yeah, this unit is definitely full. I would say you can wear it through all seasons. I don't think you would get hot or anything like that. I'm really happy about the length of this unit. Hair is really true to length. I really love the length of this unit. I think it almost goes to my butt. Again, this is a 26-inch. I'm starting to just like longer units. I would go for a 24-inch. I mean, sometimes I do shorter lengths, but all in all, I just think the longer units, I don't know, they just give you a look. I cannot wait to take a picture today. So you guys can purchase this unit off of Annabelle.com. Now this unit will run you for $256. I definitely think that it's worth it. Again, this is a straight unit. This unit can go with anything. This is one of those units, like, you can't go wrong with straight hair. When do you not want to wear straight hair? And then you're getting straight hair that's like so beautiful, so silky, long. I really don't have anything bad to say about this unit, you guys, like, at all. Like, the only thing is it's really bulky. Make sure you get that bulkiness down. And it does come with a few flyaways. Like, I have a few flyaways right now, which normally I just grab my lace spray and get them flyaways down. But or I grab my mousse and I get the flyaways away. But other than that, this unit is gorgeous. One more thing, you guys, if you don't want a 4x4, which is just here to here, it does have a an option to get a 13x4. And I know a lot of people love their 13x4s because, I don't know, it gives them the option to sometimes do a side part, do an updo, you know what I'm saying? Me, I don't care. I love 4x4s, but you do have the option to get a 13x4 if you would like. They also have 5% off sales, random cute outfits that you can also get, secure payments within 30 days. So make sure you guys check that out as well. And I also have this information information down below. Now you guys, make sure you check out all the information on this hair in my description box below. Again, this is Annabelle.com. So this will be the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this unit. Make sure you hit your post notification bell so you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.